In this video, we'll discuss the flow map and how to use it. The flow map is used to show an order of events. In the flow map below, the student has made a flow map of how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Each piece of the flow map shows a different step in how to make that peanut butter sandwich. A flow map is a series of boxes connected by arrows. They can be drawn horizontally as the one to the left or vertically as the one to the right. Students can use pictures or anything that shows the sequence. In the example below, the student has pieced together a flow map showing how a butterfly comes from an egg all the way to being a butterfly. It has no words, but it gives the necessary information. The student can use pictures or whatever necessary to show that sequence. The student may also find it necessary to make substages. Each stage might have substages that go with it that wouldn't necessarily be a stage on their own. Such as the example below, to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, to put peanut butter on bread could be broken down into two substages. Now the substages aren't necessary, they're optional. But if the student feels that they need to break that stage down into substages, they can do that with substages underneath connected by lines and not arrows. The flow map should always go in the direction that the students read. Now, the students sometimes do read down, like down a page, or left to right. So the flow map should always go left to right. When you get to the end of the page on a flow map, you should have an arrow looped around to the left side again, so the students always read it left to right. In the example above, it is drawn left to right. The students have two boxes, 1, 2, and then it loops around to the third box. In the incorrect example below, the students go from left to right and then circle back right to left. That would be incorrect because the students read left to right, and we need to encourage the students to write the flow map the way that they read.